Hi, I am Melinda Crown, the founder of Girls Empower. I live in Southern California with my 3 daughters, 2 of which are teenagers. I created Girls Empower back in 2010 after I embarked on a journey that led me to self-discovery and finding value in myself. I settled down after that and contemplated on what I wanted to do with my life, and I developed Girls Empower with a curriculum in mind for our teens. Not only do I have 2 teens, but I lived a very difficult time in my life while I was a teenager, suffering from anxieties and peer pressures and not feeling like I could be myself. Girls Empower was created in 2010, and we launched with 2 successful events with 40 teens. I was very excited to see that the Girls Empower curriculum worked. I'm very excited to announce that we are launching workshops at the Conejo YMCA February 27th, and our registration process will open up February 9th. My passion and desire is to help, inspire, and empower youth in our community. I developed Girls Empower to benefit and afford teens a roadmap for success, empowering and equipping them to become mindful contributors of our society. We seek to make a positive difference in the lives of young girls. The curriculum affords teens the opportunity to receive tools through our 4-pronged approach to combat issues teens face as they are developing. Girls Empower believes all teens are at risk, and our mission is to enhance and foster what matters most to the organization, building thoughtful, purpose-driven girls across all socioeconomics. We invite you to learn more about the Girls Empower program. We need people like you, and Girls Empower believes with the support of others, we will be powerful collectively to provide more programs and impact our teens to increase their self-confidence, self-awareness, and self-esteem. We invite for you to check us out at www.girlsempower.org.